Are you looking for listing opportunities where the seller doesn't need to buy another home? They're motivated to sell their current property, but they don't need to buy another home because that can create a logjam where you can't find a new home for them, and then they lose their interest in selling their home. But there are certain buyers out there that don't need to buy another home. If you would like to find out more about that, then you're in the right place. Let's talk. Hi, I'm Mike Cerrone with the Agent Success Summit, and I'm real excited today to bring you an introduction to the summit. I want to invite you to come and join us at the 10th Annual Agent Success Summit of 2022. Come on down and get a ticket and join us. This is an online virtual event. It's free. You can attend from any internet access point, your computer, your smartphone, a laptop, whatever you've got. You can join us at this summit this year, and it's absolutely free. Go ahead and pick up your ticket at agentsuccesssummit.com. All right, let's talk about the topic. This topic comes to us from one of our speakers in her session. It's Amy Stoehr. Amy Stoehr is going to talk about leveraging the senior listing opportunity. We're talking about senior citizens, folks that are empty nesters. They have a house that's probably too big for them. They're not comfortable, maybe has stairs. They don't want the stairs anymore. There's multiple reasons why they want to sell this property and move on to the next step of their life. And by the way, why do they not have another property to purchase? Well, oftentimes they're moving in with family, they're moving into a retirement home, they're moving into assisted living, and they need to have somebody help them unload this asset, sell this asset so they can take that cash and use it for other things they want to do in their life. So it's kind of cool. It's a one-sided sell. That's the kind of thing you're looking for. I've heard a lot of people tell me that over the last couple of years in this fast market. They'd really like to have listing side only opportunities. Well, Amy's going to share with us how to help senior citizens, and she's going to do it with two different ways to reach out to seniors to find out if they're interested in doing this. One is a senior seminar. You put on a seminar for seniors to talk about what the opportunities are here for them and if it meets their goals. She's going to outline an entire way to make that happen. And by the way, agents that are doing this are averaging 1 to 3 listings per seminar. So that's something that's pretty exciting, right? And so then we've got also a second opportunity, and that is with probate attorneys, creating a relationship with a probate attorney to get a consistent source of leads. What is a probate attorney? When someone passes away, their heirs, their family members typically need to come in. They need to often sell that house or maybe multiple houses that the person who passed away had, and they need some help doing that. They need a real estate agent to help them accomplish that goal. Well, you should be the one that they reach out to, right? And Amy's going to walk us through that. First of all, in those senior seminars, she's going to show you a way to fill up that seminar with a 4 posts that you can put on Facebook that her folks are having a lot of success with. You're going to want to check this out. She actually shows us the samples so we can see what it looks like. And then also, then if you're looking for probate attorneys, she's going to show a 9-step campaign with examples of how you can go out and reach out to them through postcards. So it's very easy to do. It's not invasive or difficult or challenging. You just put out these postcards, and then she gives you scripts for when they call back in, how to handle that call and set up an appointment to meet with them and start your relationship. If these are the kind of things that you want to learn, then you need to join us at the Agent Success Summit this year. Just go get your free ticket at agentsuccesssummit.com. And if you show up early, go ahead and register anyway, because you're going to have immediate access to 21 free gifts. 21 free gifts from the speakers that they're giving away to show you, to give you some tools to help you advance your career. You're going to want to check these out. You're going to want to get them, and you have access to them immediately once you register for the summit. So be sure to go over there and do that today. Just go to agentsuccesssummit.com, put in your name, your email, and boom, you're into the summit. Pretty cool stuff. All right, we hope to see you in the summit. Take care. Bye.